Physics Journal. Today we're gonna make another experiment. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The things that we're gonna need is one funnel, one bottle, 100 ml oil, and 60 ml of water. If you don't have green, you can mix them with yellow and blue. And we have a stirrer, which is a fork, and we have 2 C tablets. So that are the things that we're gonna need. So let's wear protection. Our experiment glasses. So first we need to open it, and we put the yellow water. Wait, this one's closed. A bit of yellow, 1 squeeze of yellow, and 1 squeeze of blue. Now it's a bit green, but do you know how to do that? Well, you're gonna need a stirrer. Mix it all together. See, it's turning green. And then we add in oil. We add the funnel here. Then we put the green water steady. Why we're using the funnel? Because we don't want any spills. And we're gonna add the oil. Be careful on this oil. Just a bit more oil. And we put it here, and then we add successfully done, and it's very good. Goodbye. Like and subscribe. See you again.